I do these things, I make videos, I screen films, I write about cinema because I genuinely like doing it. Good morning guys, how are you all? So I thought I haven't vlogged in English in a really long time and I thought of doing it. So today is a very exciting day. I have woken up with a spring in my step. It's 7:30 now and I got interviewed by the Business Standard and this is very exciting. I'm going to tell you everything about it in detail once we get the newspaper and get home. So yeah, super excited. I am going to go hunt for a newspaper now. I have slapped on some sunscreen and lipstick is my skincare. So yeah, there's nothing on my face except the sunscreen. Oh my god, I have picked up the last copy and it was quite a journey to be able to locate this paper. There, thank you. It's a beautiful piece and I quickly flipped through it and I'm going to read more to you when I'm home. This is so exciting.
एवढी कॉपी कशासाठी चालली?
इंटरव्ह्यू आला.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक आहे आणि माझ्याकडे तुला अभिनय.
Thank you. See you. I am so excited. I can't wait to read this article. So the Business Standard article is the first time an Indian newspaper in English language has printed about me, my work. We'll talk about the media articles later. But this is the first time an Indian newspaper in English language has interviewed me and I'm super excited because firsts are always special. I need to stop crouching. Let's go sit in a better room. I have a very exciting day ahead of me. I'm super excited because I'm working from home. I'm going to do this nice facial skincare spa session for myself. Maybe even throw in some hair spa. I don't know. It's my planning and scheduling day, so I'm going to plan out the videos that are going to come on TheSindhiGirl and schedule the videos that have been partly edited, fully edited for the Sindhi Film Festival channel. I like these sort of days when I'm working from home, doing my skincare pamper session and planning my work, calling, making appointments, scheduling things. Exciting times. Alright, here's the paper. Business Standard, weekend special. Hand on my heart, I haven't read the article yet. But I have been waiting to do this with you guys. I want to read it first in front of the camera so that, you know, even for me it's a nice memory that it's video recorded. So the article is Karachi Bakery Picture and the heading is, so weekend special. They come up with a separate supplement which they also call a magazine because it has more pictures. That's what the woman who interviewed me told me. So the title is Indus People, the Sindhi Community's Journey. I love the title Indus People. We have a new name, Indus People. Alright, so this is a supplement, the weekend supplement. Super excited. Can you see? Can you tell? I'm very excited. Okay, this is a huge full page Indus People and it looks beautiful. Every year, okay, sifts through. Sindh went to Pakistan during partition. And while the Indus River on the Sindhu, where the Sindhis get their name from, I love this sentence. Fearful of being a minority in the newly formed Pakistan, when the Sindhis crossed over to India, much of what they carried across freshly delineated borders were intangible things, including their language and the names of places they once intimately knew. One of the most iconic of these names is the Hyderabad headquartered Karachi Bakery. So the piece is on the Karachi Bakery and then they have branched out into covering other things. I'm going to hunt for where I am. It's a well-written piece. I'm really liking the research that has gone into it. The Sindhis have made indisputable contributions to India's economy and identity, yet their own identity comes into question every time politics crosses paths with the national anthem. There are so many issues that I want to talk about and I've been thinking about since years. Oh my god, I need to calm down. Sindhi pockets in and around Mumbai are in Ulasnagar, Chembur, Mulund and Thane. Signs of Sindhiyat, Jhulelal, interesting, very interesting. The Sindhis are a lesson in perseverance. Once uprooted, they've started all over, often reinventing themselves. Yeah, right. Sindhi was recognized as one of India's official languages in 1967. Census data put the numbers of... Oh my god, I have talked about this. Oh my god, they've also quoted the same thing. So they've written, census data put the number of Sindhi speakers at 2772,264 in 2011. They've used the same census that I have used in the Sindhi video on International Mother Language Day. So I had referred to that, and I'm so happy to see that, you know, I've done something good. They've also used the same thing. As the generation of Indians born in Sindh dies out, community representatives feel their language is in a major decline since a significant percent of the youth doesn't speak Sindhi. Agreed. Well, I do speak in Sindhi. I don't identify myself as the youth that doesn't speak in Sindhi, but I do agree when they say this. I am an ardent Sindhi speaker. This is the price the community has had to pay for being a people without a state. For being a people without a state. Alright. So, continued on page 7. I am not on this page, but that is okay because I am a part of this beautiful article, beautiful piece. I should stop calling it an article. It's a very well researched and written piece. Alright, we are on page 7. I have been skimming through, okay? I'm not reading everything. Dirven Hazari, Sindhian is a wonderful, wonderful. I'm going to read this paragraph out. Those who've been trying to safeguard the language have found a friend in technology. Hi, YouTube. Especially among the younger lot who can speak Sindhi. Thank you. While Dirven Hazari reaches over 1 lakh people through a YouTube channel, Sindhianism, with exclusive content for Sindhi speakers, Bhavna Rajpal promotes the language through the TheSindhiGirl and Sindhi Film Festival on YouTube. Thank you, Business Standard. It feels so good to be acknowledged, you know, when people come to know that, yes, you're doing something. And I have been really struggling to reach out to people to let them know that, yes, I have these 2 channels. I'm a little shy. So when I meet people, I don't immediately, I'm like, this is my card, or please go watch this. I'm not that person. I meet people, I talk to them. But I know I'll have to get to do that a little more, you know, when I meet people, I'll have to tell them. But thank you, Business Standard. I'm going to read out my bit. Rajpal, who has a collection. Oh, I have to talk to you guys about how the interview went. I'll come to that. No, I'll actually first tell you the context. So I was preparing for the Women's Day video. I get this call. She introduced herself and she said she's calling from the Business Standard, and she said that someone told her that they should call me, and I was like, yeah. And she asked me if I have time. She spoke to me for about half an hour, and I felt so good because it was the first time someone asking me the rationale behind starting this channel, behind doing Sindhi Film Festival, and where all have I made the film festival happen. So it was really good. We had a really nice chat, and she was very interested. Like, there are some people who interview you and you can make out that they are fake curious, or, you know, they're trying to fake interest in the topic. She really sounded genuine, and like, she was asking questions from what I was answering, so it showed that she was engaging with what I was answering, and she was really taking interest in it. So I really liked it. Thank you, Nikita. And then I sent her some pictures. This Umar Marvi picture that you see, I sent it to her. It's the original color poster of the film Umar Marvi. I'm very happy. Raj, and I was also asked how many Sindhi films I have and how have I collected those, blah blah blah. And I told her it's been quite a journey. Rajpal, who has a collection of over 200 Sindhi movies from both the sides of the border, often showcases these at international film festivals. Quote, "There are so many of these films that have been lost," unquote, says Rajpal. Her efforts to hold on to the language have helped her forge unexpected connections. Well, I'm just going to say, this is beautiful. Thank you, Business Standard. I feel very honored that I was included in this piece on Karachi Bakery. I am planning my own video on the Karachi Bakery controversy that's going on. My video is going to be a little different because it's not going to be talking directly only about Karachi Bakery. There's something locally also which has a similar name. I can't tell you all because I want to keep that surprise element for you guys. I hope you watch out for that video. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. I have to get back to work. As I've always told myself, I can do a separate video on this, on how I pep myself. But for me, when I was interviewed by the BBC, when I was interviewed by the Business Standard, and when I'm generally, like, when people just generally ask me questions about behind the scenes, why I'm doing this, I don't open up very easily with anybody and everybody. But when I do talk with an open heart, it really just reinforces what I have always believed. These things are just a byproduct. I don't do what I'm doing because I want to be interviewed or because I want to be in the media. I do these things, I make videos, I screen films, I write about cinema because I genuinely like doing it. It is my passion for what I do that I do this, and that is what keeps me going. These are just byproducts. Beautiful byproducts though. I got 4 copies of it, 5 more are coming in tomorrow, but it feels good to be acknowledged. It feels good to be known. Also, I was going through my emails and checking. There's this comment under one video. It says, here after reading Business Standard article 09 March, I am Sindhi but not Ani or Ja. I mean, the comment continues, but the whole point is this is what newspapers or just different forms of marketing, different forms of publicity do. Having said that, I haven't paid for any of it. I'm extremely happy because this hasn't happened by giving money, you know, and that makes it even more special because they approached me, they found out about me, and they thought it was worthy to include my name in the article. I'm just very honored, and to be mentioned alongside Dhirven, my god, he's a darling. I really like him. We are good friends, and yeah, it was lovely to be in the same sentence as him. More power to him, more power to me, more power to us, more power to all of us, including you watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for taking the time out. Now, I'm going to head on, do my skincare, do my planning, but before I let you go, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell also. Thank you. Bye. Lots of love.